Hello, everyone. As you may know, Shopify has over 4 million customers, and I recently positioned Commerce Ace to build apps, tools, and services that can reach every single one of them. Here's how I did it. During the last week, I migrated my entire website to Shopify. And before you say it, yes, I know Shopify is known for e-commerce, but what I built here goes way beyond a typical Shopify store. With a combination of hands-on engineering and Claude AI, I accelerated time to market in a way that simply wouldn't have been possible solo. But here's something worth emphasizing. Early on, Claude was guiding me down a path of making changes directly in Shopify's admin code editor, which from a performance and best practice standpoint was the wrong direction entirely. My engineering instincts caught it, so I course-corrected, directing Claude toward a proper CLI workflow, a SaaS architecture with design tokens, and building this the right way from the start. Every change was made by me, with Claude accelerating the execution. Stable, scalable, maintainable. What you're about to see is what happens when you combine AI acceleration with human engineering judgment. Let me show you what we actually built. Starting with the architecture, I cloned Shopify's Horizon theme and built a fully custom Commerce Ace theme on top of it. Component-based SaaS with design tokens means every color, font, and spacing value is managed from a single source of truth. If I ever rebrand, I update one file and the entire site reflects it instantly. Now let's look at the live site. You'll notice right away there's no visible navigation in the header, and that was a deliberate product decision. I wanted to focus on the brand and give users an intentional interactive moment with a slide-out mobile nav and smooth animation. Now you might say, that's not best practice UX, and you'd be right to question it, which is why I also implemented a sticky navigation that slides up the moment a user scrolls 100 pixels, giving them direct one-click access to any page on the site. The homepage hero has a custom parallax effect. The recent project section features a custom slider with a pop-up modal that pulls the user deep into the case study. And for projects with video walkthroughs, a second lightbox launches directly inside the modal, keeping the user fully engaged without ever leaving the site. The Ecommerce Ace section uses a fixed background image with layered opacity for a clean scroll animation. And every one of these sections, every single one, is fully manageable right inside the theme editor. No code required. The services pages are the same story. Full control, no coding dependency, and every other page on the site follows the same principle. All built with custom Shopify sections, fully configurable directly in the theme editor without touching a single line of code. So what does this mean for Commerce Ace? I took it from a niche, custom-built platform that only I could maintain to one of the largest commerce ecosystems in the world. My time is no longer spent on infrastructure. It's spent building products that deliver real value to real customers. That's the true power of a scalable architecture. It doesn't just save you time, it opens entirely new revenue streams. If you're running your business on a custom-built platform or an older Shopify setup and feeling the weight of technical debt, let's talk. Commerce Ace specializes in Shopify launches and migrations, built the right way from day one. Thanks for watching.